Let me tell y'all what, the guys at Tank Town here at TMG have been wearing these tanks out, and this is one beautiful 750 they have built here. This one's going on man Cody with Driftwood Smokehouse, and he has got a slick pit here, guys. So let's check it out. Now on this one, of course, you can see it's got our patina finish. Now that is the standard finish that comes with all of our offset tanks here. What that is, we take that beautiful finish. You know, Mother Nature worked hard on this. I ain't gonna grind it off. We're gonna do all our metal work, clean it up, clear coat it, and it's gonna pop. Now, yes, it will patina under the clear, all right? That's just part of it. That's why we call it the patina finish, all right? Now we'll open this bad boy up. As you can see, we've got counterweighted doors. You gotta have that with a big old smoker like this. You got big doors, we got big counterweights, all right? A lot of room in here. Something else you're gonna notice, every door has a top cooking grate, all right? I didn't charge extra for that, that's included. So we got 3 top grates, 4 grates on the bottom. We do have a 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. Something else you'll notice on the doors, they do have a drip edge installed. And our TMG pits tell true thermometers, all right? Fold down stack, that's standard as well. And our skid package, you see how we do our skid package, guys. It's slick, all fabricated, big insulated firebox. I wish I could open up for y'all, but it'd be hard to open it right now. But that's where you put the fire at right there, boys. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.